Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You have the basics ready: chocolate essence, a warmed base, and tools. Start by measuring 0.5 1 teaspoon of essence per 1 cup of milk or cream. This is your control point. Once done, gently heat the liquid to 50-60 degrees C. Stir constantly so the essence disperses. Make sure to keep heat low. Boiling will push off volatile flavor compounds. Use a whisk or immersion blender to begin emulsifying the essence into the warm base for even distribution. Once the essence is emulsified, continue blending to build body and depth. You should pulse an immersion blender or whisk for 20-30 seconds, then let the mixture rest for 5 minutes so flavors bloom. If you need more chocolate punch, add 0.25 teaspoon increments, tasting between additions. This prevents overflavoring. To thicken, incorporate a cornstarch slurry or a tablespoon of cocoa powder. Heat and stir until slightly thickened. Also make sure to balance with a pinch of salt or a touch of sugar if needed. You're at the finish line. Cool the mixture slightly, strain through a fine sieve for a silky texture, and transfer to an airtight jar. Refrigerated, it lasts about 2 weeks. For recipes, a practical starting ratio is 1 part essence to 4 parts base. Adjust by taste. If the mixture separates or feels grainy, reheat gently and whisk vigorously. Add 1 teaspoon lecithin or a tablespoon of warm milk to re-emulsify. Finally, make sure to label the jar with date and strength for future consistency.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.